All right, number 5 is a few things that we need to do first. A couple of things about number 5. It says Dimitri wants to cover the top and sides of the box shown. So it's just the top and the sides with glass tiles that are 5 millimeters square. How many tiles does he need? So it's not asking for the surface area. It's asking how many tiles, but we do need to find the surface area. The issue that I'm seeing is these are millimeters, and all of these are centimeters. This is an easy fix. We just convert centimeters to millimeters. And 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So instead of 20 centimeters, this is actually 200 millimeters. Just add a 0 to each of these. So instead of 15 centimeters, this is 150 millimeters. We have to convert these first. So we're going to cross that out. Instead of 9 centimeters, it is 90 millimeters. So these are our new units. And it's saying the top and the sides, so we don't care about the bottom. So now we need to find the surface area. The top, not the bottom, because it told us not the bottom. What are these dimensions? So across the top, this length is 200. How far back does it go? Across the top, this is 150. So area equals length times width. Area equals 200 times 150. And area equals, I'm going to cover up these two zeros, and this 0, 2 times 15 is 30. Now I need to add these 3 zeros back in. So the top is 30,000. Now we need the sides. The sides are rectangles. What are the dimensions? 150 by 90. So now we have area equals length times width. Area equals 150 times 90. And to save time, we'll use a calculator. So 150 times 90, so 13,500. Now there are 2 sides, so we need that one again. One thing we forgot at the beginning was to say how many sides there are. 1 front, back, left, right, and the top. So that's 5 sides. Alright, so we did the top, we did the sides, now we need the front and back. These are rectangles. Dimensions along the bottom of the front is 200, and up the top is 90. So area equals length times width. Area equals 200 times 90. We're going to cover up these 3 zeros. 2 times 9 is 18, and now let's plug in those 3 zeros that we forgot about. So area equals 18,000 for the front, but it's also the back as well. So 18,000 for the back. Those are our 5 sides. So for the surface area, we need to add these up. So we will add up 30,000, 13,500, 13,500, 18,000, and 18,000. When we add these up, 0, 0, 5 and 5, 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 8 is 15, plus 8 is 23. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 93,000 square millimeters. This is where it gets a little tricky. Now, he wants to cover it in tiles. So how many of these fit? Well, each tile is 5 millimeters by 5 millimeters. So the area of each tile is 25 square millimeters. So how many of these will it take to cover this much space? So we have this total area. Each one of our square tiles takes up this much space. So one tile takes 25 square millimeters, 2 tiles takes 50, and so on. So what we'll do here is 93,000 divided by 25. 93,000 divided by 25, 3,720 tiles. A lot of work, but at the beginning, seeing that it's square millimeters is what really helps us, because if we don't convert these, it becomes much more difficult if we were to do it at the end.